When you think of the Korea-U.S. alliance, what usually comes to mind first? It is likely scenes of the U.S. forces Korea, massive tanks, or intense joint military exercises. However, it is time to completely reset that preconception. Today, the Korea-U.S. alliance is evolving far beyond a simple military partnership into what can only be described as a strategic industrial Avengers. The era of defending front lines solely with guns and steel is over. We have now entered a monumental era of economic security, where advanced technologies such as semiconductors, artificial intelligence, shipbuilding, and nuclear energy define national defense. So, why is the United States bringing its most powerful core technologies to the forefront, so eager to join hands with South Korea? Back in our school days, we used to call a loyal childhood partner with whom we shared everything, operating under the motto, "What's yours is mine," a kanbu.
깐부잖아.
Recently, this nostalgic Korean word shook the global tech market to its core. The protagonist behind this is none other than Jensen Huang, the CEO of the global AI semiconductor titan Nvidia, and he just landed in South Korea. From appearing on Korean entertainment shows to throwing the ceremonial first pitch at Jamsil Baseball Stadium, he didn't stop there. He even shared chimek, chicken and beer, and Pyongyang cold noodles with the heads of South Korea's top conglomerates. Why is this global tech titan so genuinely invested in South Korea? The answer is simple. Without South Korean semiconductors, Nvidia stops running. Nvidia dominates the global AI accelerator market, while South Korea's cutting-edge tech giants manufacture the high-bandwidth memory, the essential lifeline that powers those AI brains. These entities are no longer just business partners. It is by no means a coincidence that they came to jointly share the Van Fleet Award, the definitive symbol of Korea-U.S. friendship. This momentum of private sector technological alliance has been institutionally cemented through an official agreement between the leaders of both nations. The Korea-U.S. Joint Fact Sheet, officially released by the White House this past November, clearly demonstrates that the alliance is jointly spearheading a monumental reconstruction of humanity's most advanced industries. First, South Korea will execute large-scale investments in America's shipbuilding and future strategic industries. Second, in return, the United States will significantly slash tariffs on South Korean automotive parts and other key exports. And the most critical piece of the puzzle, Washington will guarantee world-class, groundbreaking incentives for South Korean semiconductor equipment and biopharmaceutical products. America's pledge to guarantee non-discriminatory, premium conditions for South Korea in the semiconductor equipment and biotech sectors sends a powerful signal. It is Washington's definitive declaration to firmly clasp hands with South Korea as a core partner in the global supply chain, proving that the Korea-U.S. alliance has transformed into a formidable shield protecting each other's economic prosperity. Yet, the most shocking and monumental pinnacle of this evolving alliance lies out at sea and within nuclear energy. Shattering the ironclad skepticism that the United States would never share its naval nuclear propulsion technology, Washington has officially approved South Korea's construction of nuclear-powered attack submarines. Furthermore, they have agreed to jointly build a robust supply chain for next-generation small modular reactors, SMRs. The United States rebuilds its aging shipbuilding and nuclear industries, while South Korea secures a historic next-level defense strategy with the authorization for nuclear submarine construction. It is a flawless, mutually beneficial pact where both nations take responsibility for each other's survival. The Republic of Korea, that once begged for technology and relied entirely on the United States for its security, no longer exists. Swiftly increasing its defense budget to fulfill its own security responsibilities, South Korea now designs the future of global AI under the active courtship of the United States. It stands tall as a proud global strategic pivot, anchoring stability amid the volatile currents of naval security. The technological prowess of the Republic of Korea, safeguarding peace across rough seas amidst a shifting geopolitical fog. This is the grand evolution of the Korea-U.S. Technology Alliance, reshaping not just military security, but the industrial map of the entire world. The grand march of South Korean technology has only just begun.